Welcome back to Odooistic, guys. So I'm Farooq Rajput, and I'm I'm here with you guys with another topic today. In today's video, we are going to dive into something every Odoo user loves, which is custom dashboards. If you want to visualize your data in Odoo, provide easy access to real-time statistics, and make business decisions faster, then dashboards are the way to go, guys. In today's video, as you can see, I'm still using Odoo 17, which is Odoo 17 Community Edition, along with Visual Studio Code. Let me just reload my window. And again, my custom module name is customization, and we will do development in that folder. So at the moment, I have just got one Python file, one XML file, one security file. So rather than creating a new custom module, what I will do, I will just create files inside this structure to just save our time. So let me just go back to Odoo UI. So if I just go in dashboard, so this is actually the Odoo original dashboard application where it's huge and there are many things in here. So basically, what a dashboard is. Dashboard is essentially a visual representation of the most critical data for your business, like total sales, orders, or inventory levels, all in one place. So you can just add whatever you like. So what I thought that I just give you a small idea or some idea where we can just implement something. I can just lay out some foundation, and then you can just go from there. Whatever you want to do, you can just go in. So what we will do, guys, so we will just I've just thought that I will create one menu item in here in sales app, and with the name dashboard. And when we will click that, we will just get some statistical data in there. We will just create a very manual, very basic dashboard, and then you will get lots of know-how that how you can just take that and how you can apply that in your future projects. Um, and what's cool is that Odoo gives us the flexibility to build custom dashboards tailored to our needs. So whatever you want, or what is your requirement, whatever is your project, whatever is your thought, you can just implement that into your thinking. So let's start. So if we go in Visual Studio, so what we do first, guys, let's create a new file, and I call it dashboard.py. Okay. We will also add a reference into init file. Okay. So dashboard. This is it. This is ready. Okay, guys. So the first thing I will write, it's from Odoo import models, and then I import fields and API as well. And also, this is a basic thing which I do all the time. So what it says, this line imports the necessary classes and functions from Odoo's core framework. Models allows you to define and manipulate Odoo models. Fields defines the data types for the fields in the model, e.g. float, integer, etc., etc. And then API used for decorators like at API.depends, which are used to manage computed fields and triggers action in response to changes. So this is why we are using this. And then we are making a class. And for this class name, I will call it custom dashboard. Okay, so this is my class. I will name it custom.dashboard, and description, and I will call it custom, right. Okay, we create um, two fields. One is total sales, I would say, just for some idea. And string, I would say total. And I will compute this field. Sorry. And the compute function, I would say compute total sales. Right. Let's copy this field and I will create a new field as well, which I call this total orders. So this is, I would say, this is not a float, it is integer. And the string for this, I would say total orders. And the compute method will be compute total orders. Right. Okay. So let's define these compute methods as well. So first API dot depends, and I would say total sales, and the second one, it depends will total orders as well. Right, guys? Okay. And then define the first one. We start with first one first, and it will be self inside. Okay, so we start with a loop for rec in self. Then we would say total sales is equal to self dot env. Okay, self dot env. And what we will do, we will just search in sale dot order dot search. Okay, and to find sale orders, we would say state, and I would say sale. Yep. So and then rec total, I would say sum. Don't worry, I will explain it to you what I'm doing, guys. Okay, so this is the first method. It has been, I guess, it's been completed. Okay, so what is this? So first, name and custom dashboard, as I have already explained it to you what it's doing. Then total sales, this first field, total sales. These lines define two fields for the model. Total sales is a float field that will display the total sales amount. It has the label total sales and is computed by the method compute total sales. Now in this method, this is a decorator first, API.depends, total sales and total order. This is a decorator that ensures the method runs when the fields total sales or total orders change. However, since this is a computed field, you only need to specify dependencies if other fields are part of the calculations. So um, first, it loops through each record of the custom dashboard model. Then in next line, total sale, this is a variable. And then what I'm doing, self.env and sale.order.search state is equal to sale. So basically this searches for all sale.order records where the state is sale. So we have computed the sales. And then the next line, rec dot total sales is equal to sum um, order dot amount total for order in total sales. So basically it sums the amount total. This is a field in each sale order of all the found sale orders to compute the total sales. So basically it's getting the value from each sale order and then adding all the sum of all the found sale orders, and then assigns the computed value to the total sales field of the current record. This is what we have done. Isn't it cool, guys? Okay. So this is the first method for total sales. Now next, let's go the next method. I will write the next method, which is API that depends. Okay, the first dependency. Okay, because we are finding total orders here, so just one dependency is fine. So define compute. Sorry. So here again, we do a loop and then we say total orders is equal to self. Dot. Here we use search count because we are fetching orders, so we will use the search count here. Sorry. So again, state. Okay. And then rec dot. Okay, that's it. So just give me 1 second. I will explain it to you. So at API.depends total orders. This decorator ensures the method is called whenever the total orders field is assessed or recalculated. Uh, the method calculates the number of sale orders. It loops through each record in the model. Self.env sale order search count state is equal to sale. This counts the number of sale orders where the state is sale, and then rec dot total orders. It's after that it's assigning the count to the total orders field of the current record. This is it. And then I have written one more method here. So just, I don't waste too much time now. So let me just paste it here. So this is called action refresh dashboard. This method will be called when the refresh button is clicked. So we will also create a refresh button on the dashboard. The compute fields will automatically refresh since they depend on data. No need to do anything else here unless you have additional logic. So you can just add any logic here and then return true. That's it. So guys, yeah, this is my Python file. We have already given reference to init file, which is perfectly fine. Dashboard. Okay, let's create view now. Dashboard.xml. and then rename it. So if I go in my manifest file, so here we can give reference here as well. So views slash control V and dashboard.xml. So this is it. Now we go in dashboard.xml. So guys, what I do, I don't waste much time. I will just copy paste what I have designed. So first, Odoo decorate. Okay. After that, what I do, okay, guys. So first, basically, I'm going to define a view for the custom dashboard. And in this, what is this line saying? So view dashboard, this is a record ID, where the next line, this is the name of the dashboard, custom.dashboard. I'm naming it. And then model is custom.dashboard. As you already know that I show you. If we go in our dashboard.py, so this is custom.dashboard is there. Um, After that, I'm creating a new form with the name custom dashboard. I'm creating a header, and in header, I have created a button which is called refresh. And in that button, I have created a action which is called action refresh dashboard. So which is here, action refresh dashboard. This is the method for the refresh button. Um, I have already given class OE highlight as well, guys, here. Then I have started a new group, and in this group, this H2 is heading sales summary. I've just named it sales summary, and then I've started a div where I have created a new label for total sales, um, and then field name I have just gave total sales where I have already computed the value. So basically total sales, this will show the total sales amount and it's a read-only field. We already have computed um, for that, computed a value for that in our Python file. Then next total orders, this will display the number of sales orders, also read-only. Okay. Then after this, I will just add a menu. So add custom dashboard under the main sales menu. So I have given a menu ID here, name, custom dashboard, and this parent is actually sale menu root. This is the parent menu. So I will put my menu, which is called custom dashboard in sales application. How to find the parent external ID, the parent menu root external ID. So what you need to do, let's suppose that we want it here. Um, so we can go in settings and then go, we can click the developer mode. So we can activate our developer mode. And then we can go in technical and we need to find it here, menu items. Yeah, so menu items are here. So here you can just simply search sales. So as I want my menu item to be in sales, so I can click here and then I need to click on this button and then click on view metadata. So this is the XML ID we need as a parent. So we copy and we go back in our Visual Studio Code. So we already have got it here. And then in this menu item, we need to give the action name, which is action custom dashboard. And we need to write this action now. And for that, I have already written it just to save time. So what we need to do, we need to add this in this file. So what I do, I just add this here. So this is the action for the custom dashboard. This is the ID, and after that, the name custom dashboard, res model is custom.dashboard, and we just want to open a form. We can also put here tree as well, Kanban, whatever we like, but at the moment we just need form. And here, okay, because we have added a new model, so we need to add the access for that. So I would say access and custom dashboard. Okay, and the reference already in manifest file. Guys, don't worry. I will also leave this code in GitHub push code where you can find in the folder dashboard. So I think everything is done. So view is fine. Our dashboard file is also fine. So let's restart this and then we upgrade the module. Okay, so if we go in apps, I guess this module name is weather. Okay, so we search for, we upgrade this. Sorry, my system is not so fast today. Sorry for that. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, it's done. No errors. Good news. Click sales. So if we go in sales, so voila, you can see a custom dashboard there. If we click custom dashboard, so you can see total sales 20,321 sales summary, and we refresh this. If we refresh, you can see total orders are 15. Wow, that is amazing, guys. So you can also name this dashboard as well in the logic. My point, my main motto, my main objective was just to show that how we can create a basic dashboard. So at the moment, total sales are 20,321. Let's duplicate this. So if we go in sales, if I go in quotations, so you can see here it has added uh, sale orders and all basically. If I just remove the filter, so if you see 28,612, but in that it has just minus the quotations and just add only the sale orders. So if I click on sale orders, so you will get exactly the same figure, 20,321, which we have got it here, 20,321. And number of sale orders here will be 15, I believe, definitely, because our logic cannot lie, isn't it? So, okay, guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like it, you share it with your friends, subscribe this channel, give me some more ideas. And response is really great. Lots of people are liking our videos and lots of messages I'm also receiving. You guys all the time are fantastic to give fantastic new ideas. And um, I hope we will just take this channel to the next level. Thank you so much. Tata.